The LG V20 receiver, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung GALAXY A10e Verizon Prepaid. So the GALAXY A10e is now on Verizon Prepaid service. So if you guys are looking to get an affordable Samsung smartphone, the GALAXY A10e is worth looking at. It's available now for $179.99, 32 gigabytes of storage, and it's available in charcoal black there. Just to point out, on the right side of the screen here, it has teardrop notch, a nice looking phone. The power button's on the right side, so are your volume buttons as well. I think your SIM tray is on the left side or right side, I'm not really sure off the top of my head. But there you guys go, not a bad little budget phone there from Samsung, alright? So it says here, the Samsung Galaxy A10e Prepaid gives you the performance you need from a brand you know and trust. Go for longer with a 3000 mAh battery. Watch videos on a cinematic 5.8-inch infinity display. And get space for the things that matter using 32 GB of built-in memory. Unleash the full potential of your Samsung Galaxy A10e with Verizon, America's most awarded network, alright? So there you go. The Galaxy A10e has 10.4 days of standby time, 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, 2.75 inches in width, and 5.8 inches in height there. So there you go. So it's about as tall as the screen, so it's about an edge-to-edge screen, so that is really nice to have. It has 3000 mAh battery, but like I said right there, the battery is not removable, so you cannot remove this battery, so do keep it in mind. It says long-lasting battery, talk, text, and share with friends and loved ones throughout your day. Go for up to 29 hours on a single charge, thanks to a powerful and efficient 3000 mAh battery. Keep more, delete less. Bring your favorite photos, movies, and apps wherever you go, using 32 GB of built-in memory. For those who need more the extra space, the Galaxy A10e features room for up to 12 GB of microSD card expansion, so take advantage of that. So you can put in the microSD cards, which is a 1 up to 512 GB, so take advantage of that. Bright and bold. See more and scroll less, only 5.8-inch infinity display and edge-to-edge design to offer a clean, uninterrupted view for movies, games, and more. So it's an edge-to-edge display. So barely any bezels, so that's nice. Capture your vision. The Samsung Galaxy A10e's 8 megapixel rear-facing camera adds a special touch to everyday moments with its deep colors and crisp imagery. Snap a photo on the go, or get the others in the snap a photo on the go, or get others in the phone with a 5 megapixel front-facing camera there. So you have a 8 megapixel rear-facing camera flash and 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Yeah, let's see there. So not too bad, decent specs there for camera. So the specs on this phone, like I said, this is a budget phone from Samsung, but the specs on this phone are not too bad in my opinion. This is $179.99 for retail price. So it's a roll device, which means that it will work in every 200 countries depending on what plan you have. It is LTE Advanced, which works in with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 from coast to coast. Standby time 10.4 days. Usage time 29 hours. Camera 8 megapixel rear-facing camera, 5 in the front. The Galaxy A10e weighs 4.97 ounces. The width of the phone is 2.75 inches. The height of the phone is 5.8 inches. Same as the screen size for the phone. 3000 mAh battery, charcoal black, 32 GB of storage, and I think 3 GB of RAM. No, 32 GB of storage, 2 GB of RAM, 2 GB of RAM on this phone. It's 2 GB of RAM, not 3 GB. I thought it was 3 GB, but it's actually 2 GB of RAM. So you're getting 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, so not too bad. You get micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes, Android Pie with One UI from Samsung on there, so that's pretty nice. You have LTE and stuff like that. There's your bands there. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A10e, Verizon is here to help you out there with the with device support. If you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or you may have on this phone, device support can help you out with that. So check it out if you guys need help with your Galaxy A10e. Also, what you guys get in the box is a Samsung Galaxy A10e prepaid smartphone, plain installed SIM card, 3000 mAh battery which is not removable, wall adapter USB cable, quick reference guide, important consumer safety information, product safety and warranty brochures there. Y'all guys can also download the user memo. If you guys like. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A10e is now available at Verizon's prepaid service for $179.99, no contract. So if you guys are looking for a budget Galaxy phone, the Galaxy A10e is worth checking out. Specs on this phone are pretty decent for what it is. This is a budget phone, so they keep it in mind. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Let us know a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.